My name's Jay Wartzler. I'm the managing director at SF Sketfest. It's a giant celebration of comedy. We do 3 weeks every January, over 250 shows, 75,000 attendees. It is a massive undertaking that we could not do without Sked. Before the festival is even fully booked, we're in Sked making it look like our branding for that year. Once our schedule is finalized, we're able to just upload a spreadsheet and watch it all populate. Our team is entirely remote up until the festival itself. We need tools that we can all use in real time to communicate and get our work done. Sked helps us immensely in that way. If we update an event in one place, it automatically pushes out to everywhere. One of the biggest questions we get asked is, what should I see? Sked makes it so easy for any potential attendee to look through our schedule and gravitate towards the things that interest them. If something happens and the show has to change times, we can easily send a message to all of those attendees. I would absolutely recommend Sked to anybody who's putting on an event. It's just simply the easiest way to convey your schedule to audiences in a way that doesn't take up resources and time from other valuable things you need to be doing. It's made my life so much easier.